Are you looking for the best sunglasses organizer in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sunglasses organizer that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, COZ Leather Multi-Sunglasses Organizer. This one has high-quality construction that comes with the ability to provide maximum protection to your sunglasses. The product comes in a multifunctional design and let you use it to keep multiple items. Additionally, this is not just an average glasses organizer but one that comes with high-quality leather construction for long-lasting use. Moreover, it has transparent acrylic on top to make it easier for you to see through effortlessly. Furthermore, the product has 8 compartments that are perfect to store your eyewears. With this, you can easily keep multiple sunglasses and other stuff like jewelry and watches simultaneously. This is designed from moisture-proof PU leather exterior accented with soft lining interior for enduring and supreme look. In addition, it comes with a lockable and dust-proof organizer to provide even more security. At number 4, AUTOARK Leather Sunglasses Organizer. Every product that comes from this brand is manufactured with a stringent quality management system to ensure stable quality. The organizer of the sunglasses is composed of high-grade PU leather so that it can be used for a long time. In addition, it ensures that the metal lock will achieve a safe performance. It also has an impressive style and comes with 12 compartments. With this, it is suitable for storing glasses, jewelry, cufflinks and spare. Moreover, the product has metal lock to ensure that the metal lock will achieve a safe performance. This has 2 layers of security, so that there will be an ease for your mind. Additionally, you can see a clear glass on top that gives you an open view to your sunglasses. It helps you to reach your favorite sunglasses instantly. Furthermore, it is a perfect idea for displaying at home and shop. At number 3, AROUY Sunglasses Organizer, Gray, Dustproof. Our top 2 products are the high-quality glasses storage that is an ideal organizer for your family, friends and sunglasses collectors. The product is made from strong internal support bars that there will be super sturdy. Additionally, it comes with metal hooks and durable rope that is suitable for hanging and keeping your sunglasses organized. Moreover, you can use it for a long period of time and it only occupies a minimum space. Furthermore, this sunglasses holder is well designed with a large transparent PVC dust-proof cover. Moreover, it prevents your sunglasses from scratches and dust in each compartment. In addition, this is a highly reliable product and has a clear wall pocket that is convenient in seeing and picking your sunglasses. It is easy to clean, hang, carry and store. At number 2, iDesign 3 Plastic Vanity, Compact Organizer. This is a clear drawer set from iDesign that provides storage for your sunglasses and other accessories. This set comes in with transparent sides to make sure you are able to see and access easily. Moreover, this product is made with BPA-free plastic that is safe for us to use. With durable BPA-free clear plastic construction, it stands up to everyday use and is easy to clean with mild soap and water. Furthermore, this vanity organizer is perfect for building instant storage in small spaces. It can be used almost everywhere like the office, closet, bathroom, bedroom or anywhere you need. Additionally, this has 3 pull-out drawers with 3 divided sections. Each slot has plenty of room that fits standard and oversized sunglasses. Besides, you can see all your sunglasses all in one glance. Moreover, the convenient cobs make opening and closing the drawers quick and easy. At number 1, General Wood Sunglasses Organizer. This can be the right one for you if you are looking for a sunglasses organizer that can hold and display sunglasses. It is a very useful wood frame rack that is used for a wide range of purposes. In addition, for solid wood structure, it allows you to use it for a long time. Additionally, the product has a lightweight nature so that portability will be convenient. The components of this product are easy and convenient to build. On top of that, it is easy to assemble and has a clean look with its sturdiness. Additionally, it helps you to coordinate quickly and comes with wide applications. There are 5 layers with 5 horizontal bars where you can easily store and display 10 sunglasses at a time. Moreover, it comes with enhanced stability so that reliable performance will be available. Furthermore, it can accommodate multiple sunglasses, eyeglasses and glasses. It is very easy to use and it gives quick access. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.